So most of our engineering students want work experience before graduating, either through internships or co-ops or things like that. So what opportunities would you recommend to someone, an undergraduate engineer who is curious about nuclear or energy systems and wants to start building relevant experience as an undergraduate?
Yeah, I would say that, you know, of course, the actual internships and co-ops are a great opportunity. There's no other way that you're going to get that hands-on, at least in the industry side of things. So we do hire interns for Virginia Tech. I will say that part of my role at the company is recruiting at Virginia Tech. So if you come to Engineering Expo, you will probably see me. But beyond that, I would say getting involved in different organizations. So whether it's, the American Nuclear Society has a chapter on site, um, or just different clubs and organizations that don't necessarily have to all be technical or academic, um, but just kind of presenting yourself as a well-rounded individual who has an interest in nuclear energy, but also has the ability to work with others and has the ability to, be a part of a team. That is really, really important for any industry, I'll say, but I know for nuclear as well because of, the safety culture that we have and the idea that we are all doing this together. There's a really big shared responsibility, I'll say. Um, for more nuclear specific, I would say experience, I would think the nuclear engineering minor also offered at Virginia Tech is really, really helpful. It'll give you just kind of the basics of what that looks like, and from there you can kind of dive into what aspects of it that you're specifically interested in. What are you excited about? I chose to go the very, very nuclear engineering focus, where I'm looking at actual radiation. Neutrons moving around in the core, but there are lots of different ways that you can work on nuclear energy but not be a nuclear engineer. So I think having that understanding as well is really important.